All right, we are out here at the field today. I got a new airplane a couple days ago. This is the Su-26 60-inch on 6S. We got her all set up. I just gotta put the battery in it, but we had to get the GoPro. We got Dan's out there flying now. I don't know what he's got. Some timber or a Cessna or something. I don't know what he's got. He brought a whole fleet with him today. We get some glamour shots of this sucker before I crash it. I hope I don't crash it. These balsa ones do not crash well. But we're gonna get a battery in this thing. We gotta do some function checks and make sure everything's working, but alright, we're gonna put this on my hat. I don't know where to balance this sucker at. Probably right on the wing tube, probably.
Yeah, that's usually pretty good.
I mean, that's about as balanced as he's gonna get.
Yep.
They've got some marks down there, some pencil marks.
Yeah.
But I don't know what all they mean.
Yeah.
And they might have ran a way bigger battery than what I got.
Yeah. Oh, looks like it's balanced pretty good right there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to send it and fucking pray that it comes down in one piece.
Low rate.
Very nice. That should be a fun one. We have had some nice weather.
Yeah. There, I picked up some plastic.
All right, now we're just gonna do a nice easy flight here. Nothing fucking crazy. I got 2 batteries. I gotta at least get both batteries. All right. On low rates.
3D mode.
3D mode.
Low rate. 3D mode.
We're gonna take off in high rates in case we need to save it. Here we go.
Low rate.
Let it get too far away. I can't see it.
He's a little squirrely, even on low rates.
Was your elevator touchy?
Yeah. Not.
Your balance may be way off.
Yeah, I don't really know where to balance it. It seems kind of.
If it's real touchy, I'd probably try and get it on the ground. That's kind of an important channel.
Yeah. I mean, when I let off, she doesn't just stay level. She kind of wants to nosedive a little bit. It's not bad.
Nah, but there are things that irritate you when you're flying.
Yeah, it's just constantly in my head. I might just need trimmed up just a little bit on my elevator, but
Yeah, I would think that should be a pretty smooth flyer.
I'll do one more go around.
Yeah, take your time. Very nice. On the ground.
He's on the ground.
Shiny stayed up.
3D mode.
It's good.
All right.
Maybe back a little bit from that spot.
Where's my cell checker? There we go.
Yeah, get too far back, it gets twitchy.
Yeah. Well, it's not really twitchy. It's just I gotta constantly give it elevator. You let off, and as soon as I let go of the sticks, it doesn't just plane out. It.
Nose heavy, man. Yeah, that would be nose heavy.
It seems nose heavy, but
Yep.
it's got two elevator servos,
Well,
and I
if
can't
it's-
trim them both at the same
If
time.
it's heavy, your elevator would feel mushy. Especially when you're like coming in for the landing and you're trying to slow down and flare.
Right.
You just feel like it's just mush. Like there's really no elevator there.
Yeah, it's not that. It's the elevator feels good. It just, I think, it just needs trimmed up just a little bit.
That could be.
All right. I like standing behind it when I'm flying. At least when I'm taking off. All right, here we go. That's much better.
You moved the battery then?
No, it's about in the same spot. I just gave it some more elevator. Just a little bit of trim. Super floaty up there. Yeah, this sucker's touchy though. I'm just at like 1/8 of a throttle. I let off the stick, man. That thing just keeps going perfect right up. I think I got the balance about right on it. It's more just trimming it now. Oh, lost landing gear. Well, we got to repair the landing gear, but she's down in one piece. Let's unplug this.
Telemetry lost.
Telemetry lost. All right, let's check out the damage here. Yeah, she just folded right back. You can see it's been repaired once before, so we'll have to repair it again.